Hey guys, today I'm playing Fortnite and I'm going to troll someone with the Falcon Scout. So I'm gonna come right here. Find someone. Oh, what is happening? Also, this is the last day of chapter 3. No, what am I saying? Chapter 4, season 1. Yep, this is the last day. This is my last video for chapter 4. Thank you all for subscribing. Oh, weak signal. Today I'm gonna be trolling, guys. There's a guy right here, but I can't go. Wait. Now I know where he is, I think. Let me go more further from there. We'll go right here. And how about that? I'm boosting. Is he a guy? No way. Is he a guy? Oh my. No, it's just their bike. No. Well, doesn't matter. See, with the Falcon Scout, also I can open chest, carry things. I don't want anything right now. Okay. Now, I don't know. Oh, my FOV increased. That's nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna do a challenge. Only bow challenge. Let's go. Only bow and Excalibur rifle. Okay. If I win this game, I'm going to be so sad. No, I'm just kidding. Happy. Cause this is my ever first challenge. Oh, boy specialist, the perfect augment. Oh, a shotgun that I would want. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna win this for my family. I'm gonna win this. Oh, I am about to win this. My FOV is going crazy. Man, my FOV. Also, guys, I found how to get a lot of FPS. Do you see top right, my screen? I have 240 FPS. First, you need to go to settings. Here, and low graphics. And then you're gonna do 360 FPS, unlimited, or 240. Or whatever you want. But see, this is the max FPS. No, this is not the max. But see in the 30 FPS how I'm gonna be playing. See. Oh my god, what is that, man? Oh my god, hell no. I'm lagging. Okay, back to 340 FPS. Oh, 60. Okay, now let's continue the challenge. I have not found a guy in my last video, like all the other videos that I tried to do. I didn't find any good loot, and now in this one, I can't even find the guy. Oh my god, man, hell no. Okay, if someone subscribes right now, I'm gonna kill myself and I'm gonna jump off the cliff right here and I'm gonna get killed. Oh, a guy. I need to beat him. Oh, he's an AI. Okay, and if you ain't got mine, then he ain't coming. Yes, sir. I have 2 limbs in the board. Let's complete this challenge. Okay. I think I have a pretty good loot for bows. No, please. Oh, ice slide. So, hey guys, and tomorrow I'm gonna be showing you the new season, the new battle pass, and the new everything. I also stopped doing videos about my map because I thought they were pretty boring. So I tried this. Tell me in the comments if you would like another idea of video or what else should I do. I don't know. Also, do you see the skin I have right now? He's Adonis Creed. Also, my name is Adonis. I'm not kidding, because I'm Greek. I'm from Greece. Okay. Come on. A guy. Oh, so I heard guys. I'm going to get them. Oh no, you taught a lesson to me. No scope! Okay, if I do the no scope, everyone has to subscribe right now. Where is he? Come on! Subscribe! I hit 45! Headshot. My aim's trash. Oh, the zone's coming! Oh, I'm getting beamed from behind. Oh, what the? Man, I'm probably dead. I need to run right now. That's a bit sad. No, don't kill me. No, die. Die. No. If I die from a wolf, I'm gonna literally rage. Yes, a medkit down there. What down there? It's in the house. Come. No. Oh my god. It says just above me. I'm gonna get it. Oh, what am I doing? First, I need to fix my loot a little bit because it's messed up. No, it's not the same as it was. Why is my AFOV increased? Okay, I need to get this win for all of my viewers. I don't think I have some, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna get him, the AI, to prove. Oh. What? Oh, my aim is trash. If I die to an AI, I'm deleting my YouTube channel. Someone else killed him. Yeah. Oh, no. No, thank you. Ah, I need to get him. A supply drop. I could get something good. No! I could get that. No. And the storm is also coming. Man, that's so unfair. That's the most unfair thing ever happened to me. I should have taken the launch pads. Oh, there's a guy on me. No scope! If I hit this, everyone has to subscribe. Okay, it doesn't matter. Still subscribe. Okay, I have to win this. Man! Oh my! I'm going try hard mode. Oh no! I'm literally 20 HP. I'm dead. Oh my god! Oh, what did I just clutch? I thought my video was going to end. Yeah! Finish him! No! Okay, doesn't matter guys, that was my last video for this zone. Bye!